time with Princess Samantha. Before we get on to this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment other foods you want me to try. Also guys, remember, HelloFresh does not sponsor this video, and when you're using sharp objects like knives or open flame, heat, or fire, please have parents' approval and supervision. In other words, kids, before you use an adult's kitchen, have their permission. Okay, today we're going to be cooking with HelloFresh, and we're making the Creamy Dill Chicken with roasted purple potatoes and asparagus. Okay, so what we're going to be using from our pantry are pepper, salt, butter, grapeseed oil, and our products are our measuring spoon and our paper towels, and our produce and our ingredients, and our chicken cutlet. Okay, so we're going to be opening our bag from HelloFresh and see our main ingredients. Okay, we have our fresh dill, our asparagus, mustard, potatoes, more potatoes, even more potatoes. Okay, and we have our chicken broth. And now we're going to wash all our produce. In the previous scene, I said chicken broth. It was actually chicken stock concentration. Okay, so after we wash and dry our produce, we cut the wooden ends of the asparagus. We chopped our potatoes, and we finely chopped our dill. Okay, so now we're going to put our potatoes in the oven, but before we do that, we're going to put our oil and our salt and pepper. So I'm going to do the oil first. So now we're going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Okay, now that I've seasoned our potatoes with salt and pepper, my dad's gonna put it in the oven for me. Okay, so we washed our chicken cutlet, and now I'm patting it down with paper towel, and then I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Okay, I patted it down, now I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add my chicken cutlet in the pan. Again, my dad is super close to me, and he's going to supervise me. Okay, I'm going to cook each side for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Okay, now that our chicken is cooking, we're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on the asparagus, and we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Okay, now we're adding pepper to our asparagus. Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven. After we cook our chicken to a nicely golden brown, we put it on a cutting board to rest. Okay, now that we made our chicken cutlet, we're going to start making our sauce. Okay, so now I'm using the same pan that I used to make my chicken, and I'm going to make my sauce. So now I need my chicken broth, and I'm going to pour it in. Again, I said chicken broth, but it's actually chicken stock concentration. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. As much still as I want, so I'm only going to use this much. Then I'm going to pour it in my salt. Mustard. And I'm only going to use half because you don't need that much.
And your spatula.
Okay, now I'm going to mix it, mix the sauce together. Make sure to scrape all the goodness from the bottom of the pan from when we made our chicken. Okay, we turned off the heat and now we're going to add our sour cream. Okay, so now we're adding 1 tablespoon of butter.
Use this to yeah. Scrape it off.
Okay, so now I'm mixing it. Now I'm going to season our sauce with salt and pepper. I'm going to add our salt first. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of pepper. I think that's enough. Okay, so this is the Creamy Dill Chicken with roasted purple potatoes and asparagus. Let's dig in and see what I rated. Okay, here's the chicken. Okay, this was a really easy meal that was made by me and my dad. It was so good. I rated 5 out of 5 because the chicken and the sauce was super delicious. It had flavor, it was juicy. Then the asparagus was very good and seasoned. And the potatoes were so seasoned. Okay, well, this is the HelloFresh dish. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope you guys have a really good night, morning, or afternoon. Bye!